Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have an exclusive sneak peek from Pin Culture's hairpin box. This is their brand new subscription that they added to their list of other mini subscriptions that they have, and I have an exclusive sneak peek of next month's. You want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, they were kind enough to send me this for review, so thank you so much, Pin Culture, for doing so. They wanted you guys to see an exclusive sneak peek on their new 11th subscription that they just added to their plans. That's right, they have 11 different subscription boxes now, you guys. They have so many different ones. They have a monthly scrunchie and earring box, a monthly bobby pins and hair ties small box, monthly bobby pins and hair ties medium box, deluxe monthly hair ties, monthly wire ties, monthly ribbon style hair ties, monthly a monthly surprise box, a monthly kids surprise box, monthly bobby pins only, monthly hair ties only, and now monthly hairpins. So the monthly hairpins, this in here will have, this deluxe set includes a Pin Culture signature box for storage, perfect for throwing in your handbag, backpack, or gym bag, 25 bobby pins in your hair color. You get to choose from black, brown, or blonde, 2 surprise hairpins, a retail value of $12 or more, free first class shipping, and they give you tracking, and it's put in one of these little cute bags, and plans start at $7.75 a month depending on how many months you subscribe for. Now they did give me a coupon code. I do have my own coupon code, SheCrafty. SheCrafty will get you 20% discount on any 3, 6, or 12-month prepaid subscriptions, and between now and okay, so my code is good until 8/31. The SheCrafty is good until 8/31. And also from right now until July 20th. If any of you guys do sign up and they use my code, and you not only receive the 20% off any 3, 6, or 12-month subscription you prepay for, but you will also receive a free hair tie bracelet in gold or silver. Color will be sent at random, and that is in a retail value of an additional $10 that you will be getting for free by using my code. Again, from now until July 20th, that will get you a free item in your bag. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what this exclusive sneak peek is. This is a cute little mailer bag, and last time they had a really cute one too. So let's get in here. And they do wrap it in tissue paper with this little washi tape that goes around. Let's see. All right. So it says, thank you for your order, Pin Culture. And there's her little note on the back that you would get. 99 bobby pins, but I can't find one. That is such a cute little slogan. Ooh, these are some really cute things in here. Okay, there's also a card. Let's see. How cute. Peace. Hi Tracy, I'm excited to introduce you to our 11th subscription option, the Deluxe Hairpins box. I have also included a sample of our ribbon ties. July subscribers will receive the sample as well, and if they use your code by July 20th, they will also receive the hair tie bracelet. Christina, thank you so much. That is awesome. Okay, so here is the bracelet. Look at this. That is really cute. Let's see here. So it's a bracelet, and then you take this off and use this as your hair tie, and then you still have the bracelet. That is really cute. What a neat idea. Like, you have an actual stylish bracelet, but no, that's the hair. Well, it's a stylish bracelet, but it has your hair tie goes on it. That is so neat. That is really neat. Let me see if my little fat little chunky wrist will fit in here. Yeah, I will. So when you have your hairpin in your hair, you wear this really cute bracelet, which will come in silver and gold. And then when you don't need your hair tie or you want to have it on the fly, on standby, let me put it back on here. There we go. And that actually looks really cute. That looks really cute just to rock as a bracelet, you guys. And then whenever you need a hair tie, oh, I got one of those. You take it off your bracelet, you pull your hair up, and you still have a really cute bracelet. That is really cute. I like that. Have you guys seen anything like that before? Like literally a bracelet that holds your hair tie. That is an amazing invention. Like, that is so cool. That is really, really cool. I've never seen that. So you guys, if you're interested, order now, because between now and July 20th, you will get one of these at no charge. And that's amazing. I love that thing. That is so cool. Okay, we have a really cute sticker. It says, "With love, the apple bottom jeans." I love that. I add all my stickers to my scrapbooking stuff because I love me some scrapbooking. Okay, so here are the pins that are in this month. Those are really, really pretty. Let's pull them off so we can see them a little better. So here's the first one. Very nice. And if, let's see if I were just to toss this up in here. Look how cute. That looks really cute. I like that. And now let's take the other one. There's that. How cute. I'll just stick it on this side for you guys. How cute. That is really cute. I really like that. And then in here is the bobby pins, and she asked me which color, and I have brown because it's supposed to match your hair. So she sent me the brown, which again, you can do brown, black, or blonde. And let me get these out. Oh, you guys, in this bag is what they say that you can reuse, because you just throw your stuff in there and you close it up, and you can toss this in your purse, your gym bag, your dance bag, whatever bag, your car, your desk, whatever you want to do it. Or you can use this for anything else. It's because it's a cool little container, reusable little container. So that's what they were saying in the description box, how it comes with the signature box for storage. That is this right here. So we have two of these hair little ties, which I really like these. I really do. So you have two of these, and they're different. They're both like silver and white, but they have a little bit of a different design to each one of them. And then we have, how many are over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There's 25 bobby pins. That's awesome. So again, plans start as low as what was it on this one? As low as $7.75, depending on how many months you prepay for. And that's free shipping. If you order now, you'll get this free bracelet, but it came with 25 bobby pins. Came with these two really cute hair ties. And then again, this is an extra free little added bonus, which that is awesome, you guys. So if you order now, all of this stuff could be yours. That's awesome. What do you guys think? I did one of these once before, and I really thought it was a really cool concept, especially if you have little ones or they're in dance or anything. I mean, you are always losing bobby pins. You can never find hair ties or anything like that. They have them specifically for children, for adults, for whichever. So, and now they have 11 different plans that you can choose from, ranging the cheapest is $2 up to the highest, I think, is like 13 something. So that is awesome. And these are really, really pretty. These are really pretty. I can't wait to use these, and I'm excited to have this. So thank you again, Pin Culture, for sending me your now brand new 11th subscription that you added to your plans, which is amazing. And you guys, definitely, if you want to check them out, SheCrafty will get you all of that good stuff, get you that 20% off and everything. So the The link will be down below. You can follow that. SheCrafty will get you all the goods. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have. And thanks again for Pin Culture for sending me this so you guys can see their now new added subscription. So that's awesome. So if you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and stick around to watch some other videos of mine. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.